हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम करेंगे कुछ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन चेन रूल। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड y डैश व्हेन y इक्वल्स e रेस टू 3x। राइट, अभी हमें अगर डायरेक्टली e रेस टू x दिया होता तो वी नो कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e रेस टू x इज ऑलवेज e रेस टू x, बट यहाँ पे हमें e रेस टू 3x दिया है, मतलब कि इट इज़ अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन। राइट, सो वी विल हैव टू यूज द चेन रूल. So we will let 3x is equals to u, therefore y क्या हो जाएगा हमारा e raised to u. Now this has become in a standard form. Now we can differentiating with respect to u, dy by du is equals to e raised to u. right, सेम ही रहेगा e raised to u. तो next we know कि हमने let किया है u is equals to 3x, so we can also differentiate du with respect to dx. It will become 3, right? This function derivative of x. Now this is equation number 2. We can multiply 1 and 2, therefore 1 into 2 is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Put the values. dy by du क्या है e raised to u into du by dx क्या है 3, that is 3 e raised to u. Therefore dy by dx is equals to 3 e raised to u. u क्या था हमारा, u was 3x, so put back the value 3 e raised to 3x. that is the answer. Right, next similar question, find y dash when y is equals to 1 minus x square under root. We can also write y as 1 minus x square 1 by 2, right? Square root है तो again this is not standard function x raised to n, so we'll convert it. Let 1 minus x square is equals to u, therefore y becomes u raised to 1 by 2, right? Differentiating, I will change the color. Differentiating with respect to u, dy by du becomes 1 by 2 नीचे, u raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, that will become 1 by 2 u raised to minus 1 by 2. And as u is equals to 1 minus x square, we can say du by dx will be minus 2x, right? So this is 1, this is 2, multiply 1 and 2, dy by du into du by dx is equals to half u raised to minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x. Put back the values of u, minus 2x by 2 into u क्या था हमारा, u was 1 minus x square की पावर minus 1 by 2, करेक्ट. सिंप्लीफाइंग ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा माइनस एक्स इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर की पावर minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Let's do some more. Now find dy by dx when y is equals to e raised to x raised to 4. right, again ये फंक्शन नेचुरल वाला नहीं है, e raised to x नहीं है, ये समथिंग e raised to x raised to 4 है. So again we have to use the chain rule. We let x raised to 4 is equals to u, therefore हमारा फंक्शन y will become e raised to u, right? So we'll differentiate dy by du is equals to eu only. ये फंक्शन सेम रहेगा, this is 1, and as u is equals to x raised to 4, therefore we can say du by dx is equals to 4x cube. This is equation number 2. Multiply 1 and 2. What we get? dy by du into du by dx is equals to e raised to u into 4x cube, which is nothing but 4x cube into e raised to u. Put back the value of u, we get 4x cube into e raised to u क्या था हमारा x raised to 4, x raised to 4. This is the answer. यहाँ पे मैंने और एक क्वेश्चन दिया है, इट इज़ नॉट बेस्ड ऑन चेन रूल, इट इज़ एन हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. You have to find d3y by dy3 dx3 when y is equals to x square plus 2x. So we have to differentiate this function 3 times. First, let's differentiate. For the first time, it will be 2x plus 2. Now differentiating the second time, right? Differentiating this function one more time, d2y by dx2, it will be 2 only. Again differentiating this for the third time, d3y by dx3, it will be 0 because derivative of constant is 0. So the final answer for this function is 0. ये थे कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस. कल फिर से मुलाकात होगी. टिल देन स्टे फिट एंड कीप लर्निंग.